Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Fahad. Hi, hello, and how are you guys? Today I'm going to make a video on Forex trading, and this video is for those who are just going to start it from the beginning. This is not for the expert. If you're already an expert, so this video is not for you. So today's lesson is going to be very important for those who are new in Forex trading introduction. So this is trading's introduction. Let's have a look on the first slide, right? Slide number 1 is all about what is Forex trading. This is the first question what I'm going to ask. What is Forex trading? So let me tell you, Forex basically is a combination of couple of words, that for and X. Here you can see it's foreign for for and exchange for X. The foreign exchange is called Forex. Next thing is, what is trading? Trading is basically a conversion of a currency from one currency to another. Let me give you an example. For example, you're living in USA and you want to visit Australia or some other countries, and you do have a currency that is US dollar. And if you want to live there in Australia, if you want to go there, what you'll have to do is to exchange that currency. So that exchanging is called the trading of currency from one currency to another. So that is going to help you out. So this is Forex trading. It means the foreign exchange of currencies from one currency to another currency. Next important question is, who is running the whole show, and who's trading in the Forex, and why the people are trading with the Forex? So the answer is in details. The first main thing is central banks. You can also call it the main bank, in which companies have invested. A lot of corporations have invested. Some countries are there, they have invested their monies. They do have a lot of funds. So with these funds, they are gonna make a chain with others. So as the central bank is the main bank, they do have their little banks or small bank branches, in which they are just transferring their money electronically or in like a paper money, whatever the need is. What the banks are doing, banks are transferring these funds to the corporations which are needed. They're just transferring according to their need, and the corporations are the companies like Cadbury chocolate, like Coke, like Samsung, like all these companies who are just have some shares in the central bank. So they are doing the same business. What the corporations are doing, they are just transferring this all to the retail traders. Retail traders are the traders who are in the market. They do have some good relations with the people. So central bank is basically connected with banks, corporations, retailer traders, and retailer traders are connected to us who are the little investors or who are the Forex traders. Let me just show you a map which is going to help you a lot about it. This is a map in which I'm going to answer you who trades and why. You can see these three central banks, and they are just transferring the money on all the sides to the major banks, and they're doing to commercial companies, to the large speculator, and to the investment funds. So what their job is to transfer the whole money to the major bank, and they're just going to do it to the next one. What the major banks are doing, they're just transferring their money to market maker, the people who are making a market, and they're just doing it to distribute all the things into the retailer traders on both ends. On the other side, you can see a ECN broker. What ECN broker? Broker is a person who is trying to connect central bank to a normal person like us. So this is a broker between us. He's just achieving his money, achieving his percentage. So that's like it. So who trades Forex? These are the guys who are trading Forex, like central banks, corporations, and retail traders, and the people. And why they are doing this? The question is why, and the answer is, every person who's just doing it is charging some. For example, here they're just taking some charges, here they're taking some charges, here they're taking some charges. So everyone is earning in that way. Let's move to the next very important question, and that is, what are the advantages of Forex trading? Why people are interested in this, and why you should do this instead of other businesses? What it is about. Let me just tell you why it is much better than that of any other business. First one is its quality is its high liquidity. What is liquidity? Liquidity is amount which is spent in the business. This is the market with almost $5 trillion, one of the largest market of the universe. So that is the reason it does have a lot of money that could be in electronically, or that could be in a soft or hard copy. So that is the reason this business does have a very good investment with which you guys can earn a lot. So you wouldn't have to be worried about the business, whether the business in which you're going to start work or in which you're going to invest, how large it is. So telling you honestly, it has high liquidity. Second thing that make it more proper or more good, that is low barrier to entry. For example, if you're just doing any business, you'll have to just pass some certificates, you'll have to rent a building, you'll have to rent a lot of things. But here you just need some certifications. But here what you have to do is just need a computer, just need $100 or $200 for starting basics. And what you would like to do, it's very simple. You're just gonna open an account with your ID and you can start it. The third thing, that is better risk management. For example, if you're in any other business, you have just invested some money and you'll have to purchase. But here, if even with a $200, as I have given you an example, you can start with a mini or the micro lot, that is 0.01 cent. It is that little amount that you can start, and you can just better risk management for your money. Another thing, that is trade anytime you want. Or for example, nowadays, as you can see, because of Corona, we are locked down, but trading is on. We can just trade anytime, anywhere we want. The market is almost open for 5 days a week, or you can just make the trading. You can do this business anytime from anywhere, even you're sleeping on your bed. There's no need of any building or any office or such thing like this. The last thing that is most important, that is low transaction cost. The transaction that you'll make, you'll have to pay a cost. It's, as you know, the banks are doing the same, and the way they're earning the money. Here, if you're just doing a transaction, they're not going to charge more than like 5 cents, 6 cents, or 7 cents. It depends upon the traders with which you are connected, right? Let's move to the recap of the video, what it is about. Recap is something like, I'm just going to tell you about all the videos shortly. The first thing, what was the Forex exchange? It is an exchange of currencies. It's called Forex exchange. Next is, it is traded by banks, by corporations, and all other retail traders. What are the advantages? It does have high liquidity. It has very low barriers to enter in the business. You can better risk management of your money, and you can trade anytime from anywhere, any day, or anything. And its transaction cost is very little or very small. So this was all about today's video. So till then, enjoy. Inshallah, I'm just gonna upload the video very soon again, and you would be able to find me there. Have a nice day. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye. See you soon.